Okay, so we're going to cover chapters 12 through 14 today in this little bit. This one will be a quick one. Chapter 12, we have the shore come to the peacefulness of the river so far, and this brings chaos. Also with the shipwreck, the Walter Scott, the peace of the river has been interrupted for Jim and Huck. So chapter 12 covers that shipwreck, the Walter Scott, and those men who are aboard it. They represent danger and civilization. Chapter 13, we get a little bit more development for Huck. He understands that these men aboard the Walter Scott will die unless they're rescued. And so he poses as a ruse about his family to this ferry boat watchman. It is ultimately too late. A little bit of penalty punishment involved for civilization, but we also see some character development in Huck, that Huck is willing to at least try to help these guys. Angel, this little moniker, Angel of Death, has been mentioned before in the lecture notes, but I haven't talked about it. But it is worth noting here that there have been 3 deaths that are related to Huck, maybe more, with the house that floated by also. Next chapter, this chapter about Solomon. There's a lot of racism in the way Jim is depicted, in the things Jim thinks and the way he talks. So overall, do you have to wonder, is Twain being racist in the way he has Jim speak and the way Jim thinks? But also there's how Huck responds to him, and it's true. It's very apparent that Huck is very fond and protective of Jim also. They have kind of crossed that bridge of just 2 people to being more friend, more of a kind of parent situation with Jim also, and Huck being protective of Jim. So there's a lot of development here between the 2 of their characters in chapter 14, even though it seems like it's all just funny. There's a lot going on in this chapter too. That's it for this week. So this will close out for spring break. Have a good time. I don't know if you're headed anywhere. We're all kind of on lockdown, but just to let you know, I miss you guys. I wish we weren't doing this, but hopefully we can Zoom and make the best of it. If you have any questions, please give me, invite me to a Zoom. Give me an email to say, hey, are you busy at this time or that time? And we can chat. Keep up with Huck Finn. Don't lose track here. We're almost halfway through the book. All right. Bye, guys.